Bruh. I'm right here trying to sleep in my damn bed. And it's freaking. What time is it? What time is it? 1:01. And it's freaking, brighter than the sun. It's like a cloudy day out here. It is literally midnight. And I'd be able to play a whole game of football out here with perfect vision. I'm trying to sleep, bitch. Jesus. It's still snowing. Well, my school board is pretty awesome. Like, they're giving us a half day because it's supposed to be a snow day, but quarantine and such. But, damn. I won't be able to sleep. Like, I haven't been able to sleep for like 2 days. But those other 2 days were like different reasons, like coffee and stuff. But like, damn. Damn, they don't even need street lights. But you don't drive on the streets in the snow. That's not so safe. Oh, frick. I'll talk in an hour, and if I'm still awake, I'll post a video in an hour and such. But, good night, everyone. Bye.